All right, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader, here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Guys, I'm currently on a trip in Michigan right now, away from home, and just haven't had time to make the videos like I thought I was going to try to. I promised on Sunday to try to get a video every day. I just not been able to do it, guys. I apologize. Lots going on in my world right now. But with that said, here's the video. I want to show you what I'm seeing in the charts now. Don't forget, not financial advice, just an Elliott Wave trader looking at the market through a lens of 5s and 3s, guys. That's it. Showing you what I'm seeing. Let's take a peek. Basically, what I'm looking at right now, guys, is a couple of ideas here. We've got this as an idea where we say, hey, this was an A, 3 waves, that's a B, 3 waves, and a C. We're going to call that 5 waves. I talked about this on Sunday night, how we can count that as 5 waves. It looks like 3 waves. We call it an extended 5th wave, often looks like 3 waves. But that would be a 335 flat. That would be a running flat. We have impulse to the downside. We just got a 3-wave pullback, and now could be heading down for 5 waves, getting us down to a 25K target range in that 24-25K range. That's a possibility, guys, on the table where we have an impulse down and a 3-wave pullback, and now we're coming down. But you'll notice I have a couple of other ideas here on the table. So there's the first idea where we're in the middle of an impulse. We should be reversing back down to the downside at some point whenever this 3-wave move is done. We'll look at the micro count in just a moment. Coming down for a 3rd wave, get a 4th, and then a 5th. Okay, so let's push that aside and say, well, okay, what else could be happening here? Well, another possibility. Let's see here. There we go. Another possibility here is, get the RSI off there. There we go. We have an ABC, a little bit of a different shape. We've got an come on, a B, and now we're in the middle of C. Okay, now that C wave, I would expect it to create a 1-2 like so. It would be a 1 and then a 2, and then we'd be looking for 3, 4, 5 like that. I would expect it to look like that, and the reason because of that, the reason for that is that this was an impulse wave. It was 5 waves. Now the market can do whatever it wants. It doesn't consult Elliott's rule book to find out if the market can make a particular move or not. But applying Elliott wave to this market, this is 5 waves. It would demand a 3-wave pullback and then another hit to the low. Instead of going to break the low and head to 24K, this idea puts us just going down for a 3rd C wave. It should not break this low right here. So make that bigger. There we go. Shouldn't break this low here, and you'd have a 1-2 on your hands, and then we'd be looking for 3, 4, 5, getting up there, getting on back up to the 60K range. Okay. Now that's I can't say that's going to happen with certainty, but certainly a plausible idea here as an ABC to the upside. So we got a couple of ideas here, guys, where one has us going up. We got it. Well, both ideas take us down from here. Okay, take us down, back down to this range, retesting the bottom here, or going even lower to 24K. But one has us going down to 24K. The other idea has us going up to the 60K range in 5 waves. Guys, I don't know what's going to play, guys. I'm not here to tell you what's going to play. I've just analyzed the Elliott waves, the wave structures, and said those are some plausible ideas to at least consider. Now, you need to have a good trade management system and a risk management system in order to trade that. Don't trade any of that blindly. Those are just, it's always, guys, it's always up or down. We never know. But what I've given you is some ideas to be watching for, so that if you see one playing out, or the wave structure creating. So in other words, what we'd expect to see is if this is just coming down right here to the C wave, we want to see 5 waves finishing right there. That's what we would expect to see for that count, and then a reversal. Okay, we would want to see a reversal, and that trade idea gets invalidated right there. So there's an idea, and that's the way I'm going to look for it. I'm going to consider taking that short if I want to trade that to the downside. I'm going to consider that once this 3-wave move is finished. We'll look at that in just a moment. Now, if by any chance, though, guys, this thing starts to impulse a lot deeper, breaks this low, if it breaks this low, then I'm going to be looking for a 24 30K, 25K, 30K target. We're going to be looking down for targets. Okay, so those are a couple ideas. Those are my main two ideas on the table for now. The macro idea, if it goes up here, we'd be looking at that triangle idea I've been sharing. The triangle idea I have been sharing with you guys for a while. All right, there's more to say, but that boils it down to something simple to talk about. Now let's go to the micro count here, and let's look at the move to the upside from last night, yesterday and last night. So what we have here is an A, a B, and looks like a C. Okay, that's right now. It looks like we've got three waves to the downside, or excuse me, to the upside, I should say. Three waves. Boom, boom, boom. Now it's got relatively extended here. This wave has gotten extended, so it's a little bit further than we like to see it for corrective waves, but it's still possible that it's three waves. It has come to the 618 region. Let me go ahead and just remove all that right there. We've come to the 618 retrace. If we pull the retrace tool here, we've come to the golden zone retrace area. So I'm actually looking for this to on the micro count, to spike down here, spike up, and then reverse and come on, begin and coming down to the downside for that wave that I was looking for. So looking on the small time frame, just maybe an idea to think about. One idea here for the small micro idea is that we have a three-wave move. We got a flat right there. We got another flat right here, and we're looking for five waves to the downside. We're looking at this as an A, B. Looking at this come down here for C. We could stop here at the 1-to-1. We could stop at the 127. We could come and break this liquidity and get down here closer to the bottom of this range right here. I kind of like that idea the better. So let's see if we get down here with some impulsivity, okay, as a three wave. And then I'd be looking for quite possibly, spike to the high. And then down we go. Okay, another idea says we have already finished this little move right here. We got an A, B, C right here. Okay, we already got our spike to the high, because this is the way waves often play. And now we're heading down from here, and we're not going to get another visit to the upside. So I don't know which is going to play. I'm not here to predict, but those are some wave structures that we're ordinarily used to seeing at the top of waves. So whether we get this move down here and then another spike to the high and then down, or does it just come down here? I'm inclined to another spike to the high and then down, but time will tell. All right, guys, there's some ideas from an Elliott Wave perspective. Just a quick update for you guys who follow the channel. Thanks so much for being so faithful to the channel and watching the channel. I really appreciate it. Go ahead and hit the like button and hit subscribe if you like the content and you like the ideas you get. And don't forget to leave a comment. That kind of stuff really helps the channel out. So, hey, thank you so much for supporting my family and watching the video, and I'll continue to support you guys as well. If you need more support, guys, we have the Discord you can come on in. Still early in the month. It's a great time to join. We'd love to have you in there. With that said, have a fantastic day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.